This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, door reinforcement beams, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hagerstown Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1714 Massey Boulevard in Hagerstown.